new bumper for the Bipolar car showed up. Alright, we got some headlights. These look like maybe the fog light bezels. Nope, those are the fog lamps themselves. Let's see, what's this? Those are the bezels. So, the Bipolar stick shift car is a Cobra, I guess. Not a real Cobra. Which I don't mind. That way I don't have to cut a real one up. Let's see, all the wiring. I got all of this from CJ Pony Parts. Oh yeah, let me get that unbagged. Alright, so the bumper's unboxed. You know, for a race car, this thing's going to be perfect for what I'm using it for. For a replacement bumper on a nice car, it's a little wavy, but it's not new old stock, so it's kind of hard to expect it to be perfect. It's got a little scratched up from shipping, but don't look too shabby. Be ready for paint. So, and in here we have all of the tabs and the mounting screws, which on this car we probably won't use. I'm gonna make my own tabs. Like I said, headlights, fog lights, and bezels. So, hell yeah. Can't wait to get a front end on the car so I can bolt this up. Those are OE replacement headlights. I think they're smoked. Let's go ahead and open them. Alright. So, if you buy this, it does come shipped in like a semi-freight. So, just make sure you have enough room to be able to get semi through. But as you can see, it's the smoked inside lights. I don't really remember what they call that, but I think the original Cobras were black, so they call this smoked. It's pretty much the same thing. Again, good enough for what I'll be using it for. It'd be nice if they seal up well and they don't leak. So, cool. So yeah, if you're looking at ordering a bumper from CJ Pony Parts, I can't not recommend it. Bumper pretty much showed up just as it was intended. So, better than the one I got for that one when it got hit at Indy. The new bumper came with license plate holes that had to be filled in. So, CJ Pony Parts, they didn't sponsor this video or anything, but they were about the best deal I could find on a Cobra front bumper with headlights and all the bezels. So, yeah, if you need it, hit them up.